Hello everyone, this is the end of day 2 on the 3-day cleanse, and I've just had my chicken and broccoli. This is the end for me on this cleanse. I've had enough. I'm tired of it now, y'all. I have not had any smoothies. I actually was full earlier today after I had the spinach and tuna. Go away, Zachary. And I'm pretty full now. I'm just tired of eating it, and I feel hungry a lot of the time, and I just don't want to do that anymore. But I'm gonna tell you, I've lost 4 pounds, and it's not even the end of day 2, so I'm gonna weigh again, and then I'll let you guys know how much I actually lost. And I do feel cleaner. It has definitely sent me to the bathroom in every way. So it's really, I believe, a good cleanse. I'm going to modify it again, and I'm also going to incorporate Dr. Axis detox water. It's really good water. That water is really good. That man came up with something when he came up with that, because I have found success with it. It really curbs my appetite with that cinnamon and stuff. But I'm going to have a cleanse detox ready for us soon, guys, and we're going to try it again. So those of you who's doing good, continue on. Let no one deter you off of your path. So just because this is my last day, has nothing to do with you. You continue on. Keep me posted. Some of you are emailing me. That is so cool. Let me know how you're doing. And a lot of you are really interested in the other things that we have going on at Q. So you guys have a good night, and talk to you later. Bye.